Access role management within cost centers to define roles for your project template. In the project template, enter a role name such as installer to create your first role. Add additional roles by entering another role name and saving the configuration. Create a new role named Testing in the project template. Expand the Roles section to view all defined roles within the project template. Apply the project template to a cost center to load the defined roles. Assign each role to a specific team member by selecting the appropriate role and person. Select Installer and assign it to one individual, then assign the tester role to another person. Use the role assignments to identify who is responsible for each task when scheduling work. For project templates with many tasks, assign work quickly by matching tasks to team members based on their assigned roles.